Is your business bank account like Fort Knox or a cardboard box? Hey there, hustlers. Let's talk about something crucial, something that keeps your business engine running smoothly, your business bank account. Now, you work hard for your money. You put in the blood, sweat, and tears, so where you park those hard-earned profits matters. You need a safe space, a financial fortress to keep your business thriving. But with all the options out there, how do you know which account is right for you? One name that's been popping up lately is Tide. They offer sleek app-based business banking, promising a modern, convenient way to manage your finances. But is convenience enough? The big question remains, is Tide safe for your hard-won cash? Let's dive deep and unpack the security features of Tide business accounts. We'll crack open the vault, so to speak, and see if Tide lives up to its promises. Fort Knox or cardboard box? The regulatory roundup. First things first, regulations. When it comes to your money, you want to be sure you're playing in a safe zone. Here's the good news. Tide is authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. This means they operate under a watchful eye, ensuring they follow strict financial regulations. But hold on a sec. FCA authorization doesn't automatically mean a full-fledged bank. Here's where things get a little technical. Tide itself doesn't hold a banking license. Instead, they partner with ClearBank, a licensed bank that actually holds your deposits. This partnership might raise an eyebrow, but here's the silver lining. Because your money's technically held by ClearBank, it benefits from a safety net called the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. The FSCS protects eligible deposits up to a whopping £85,000. That's a significant chunk of change, offering some serious peace of mind. However, a small caveat, this FSCS protection only applies to accounts opened recently. Existing Tide customers might not have this safety net yet. Tide assures they're working on transitioning everyone, but it's worth double-checking your account status if you're an existing customer. Beyond regulations, security features built for business. Okay, regulations are one thing, but what about everyday security features? Tide boasts a bunch of tools to keep your money safe. Two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone on top of your password when logging in. Think of it as a double lock on your virtual vault. Secure login. Tide uses industry-standard encryption to protect your login credentials. Imagine Fort Knox with a high-tech security system. That's the kind of protection we're talking about. Account freezing. Misplaced your debit card? No sweat. With Tide, you can instantly freeze your card within the app, preventing unauthorized transactions. Like a fire extinguisher for your finances, putting out any potential flames before they start. Transaction monitoring. Tide keeps an eye on your account activity. If they notice any suspicious transactions, they'll alert you. It's like having a financial watchdog, always on the lookout for anything fishy. Beyond the basics, building a culture of security. Security isn't just about fancy features, it's also about a company culture that prioritizes safety. Tide claims to be ISO 27001 certified. This might sound like alphabet soup, but it's actually a prestigious certification that assures their information security management systems are top-notch. Imagine a business taking security so seriously they get an internationally recognized gold star for it. That's the kind of commitment Tide brings to the table. The verdict, fortress, or a calculated risk. So, is Tide a financial Fort Knox or a cardboard box waiting to be ripped open? Here's the deal. Tide offers a strong set of security features, backed by FCA authorization and FSCS protection for new accounts. Their commitment to secure logins, two-factor authentication, and account freezing add further layers of safety. The ISO 27001 certification shows a dedication to robust security practices. However, existing customers might not have full FSCS protection yet. It's also important to remember that Tide doesn't hold a banking license itself. Ultimately, the decision is yours. If convenience and a sleek app experience are high on your priority list, and you're comfortable with the current regulatory landscape, Tide could be a good option. But if a traditional, fully licensed bank with established brick-and-mortar branches is more your style, you might want to consider other options.